let's do this.
Let's do this. All the best. This is our stage now.
Yep.
Let's go. 10 seconds. 90 left and medium right and hairpin right. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 90 left and a medium right. Medium right and a hairpin right. Medium left long and an easy right. Easy right long.
Louder.
Easy right long.
Yeah.
One more easy right and left. And left. This is a jump. And right and left. Hard left coming up. Hard left. And right. Easy left. And a medium right. Medium right. And a medium left long. Medium left long. And then a easy right. Going into a hairpin right tight.
Yeah.
Hairpin right now. Medium left. And right. Medium left again and right. And a long right hander goes into a hairpin right. Better jumps.
Yeah.
Hairpin left. Long left hander and an easy right and left. Left and right. Long right this one. Continues to another right. And then a hard right and hairpin right. Hard right now. Hard right now and a hairpin right. Hairpin right now. And a hard left. And a medium right. And a medium left. Medium left. And an after the medium left, easy right. And a medium left coming up after this.
Yeah.
And then a medium right. Medium right and hairpin left. Medium left, right and left. Right and left. And right. Jump and medium left. And medium right. Easy left and medium right. Maybe hard right this one. And a hairpin right. After that, hard left. Hairpin right. Almost a hard left. Hard left. And a medium right. And then almost straight flowing corners. Straight flowing corners into hairpin left. Hairpin left now.
Yeah.
Medium right, medium left. and a long right hander, goes tightens into a hairpin right, hard left, and another left, right and left to into hairpin right, hairpin left, hard right long, and left, and then a hard right again, left after this, hard right, and a hard left, and then a very tight hairpin right, right. Gulaba place is coming, no? Straight line, medium right, and long hairpin left, like a 3 hairpin left. Long one. And then a hard right. Now. And then a hard left. And a medium left. Medium right. Hard left. One more hard left. And then a long right hander and a left hander. Like a 4 left hairpin. 4 left hairpin. Then a hard right. 60 jump 6 right. 20 jump keep center. That one, and 6 left. Hairpin left now. Into 5 right. Easy 5 right. Jump 20. And jump keep left for 4 left. Repeat, keep left for 4 left. 24 left. Into 3 left. 3 left, keep right. 4 left into 3 left, keep right. Into 4 right, bump into 4 right. 20 jump 6 left. 20 jump keep left for short 6 left, bump 6 right. Bump 6 right now. 30 bump 6 left. 20 don't cut, hairpin right, keep left. Bump 6 left. 20 6 left now, bump. And then 20 don't cut, hairpin left right, keep left. Hairpin right, keep left. 30 keep left over jump. And keep right over jump. And jump again. 20 3 left. 3 left now. 22 left. 2 left now. 2 into 3 right, 4 left. 4 left, rough water crossing, and 4 left, and 4 left into bump 4 right. Bump 4 right now. And bump 5 left. 5 left and 5 right, loose. 5 right, loose. 20 jump and 5 left at crane. 5 left. 5 left is coming up now, right? Yep. Short 6 left into hairpin left. Hairpin left into 6 right, 30. 6 left, jump 20. 6 left, jump 20. 20 in 6 left, brake at 6 left for hairpin right, don't cut.
Yep.
Hairpin right, don't cut. Into 6 right, 20, 6 right short, 50 hairpin left. 6 right short, 50 hairpin left. 40 opens for 3 right. Opens for 3 right. Into 2 left. Into 2 left, very rough. Down, caution 3 right slush. 3 right slush. 20 narrow, 6 right short. Bump into hairpin right. Jump 20 hairpin right. Hairpin right now.
Yep.
Into 2 left loose. 2 left loose. 6 left on jump into 5 left. Into 5 left, 20 down. Jump 23 right. Repeat 3 right. Into 6 left.
Oh, fuck.
6 left. 40. Jump 5 right. And 4 left. 4 left now. Into short 6 left. And jump 2 right. Repeat 2 right now. Into narrow 3 left. Repeat narrow 3 left. Into short 6 right. 20 rough. Hairpin left, water, slippy. Hairpin left, water, slippy. And 6 left. 25 right. Into 4 left. Repeat 5 right into 4 left. Into 6 left. On jump 30 opens. 30 opens to 6 left again. And 26 right short. Stay left. Bad road. Short 6 left. And 4 right. 4 right. 4 right. 24 right again. 4 right again. And very late 4 left slippy. Rough patch. 4 left very late slippy rough patch. Medium 6 right, caution rough water. Medium 6 right, caution rough water. 30 opens for 6 right. Into 6 left. 6 right into 6 left. Jump. Keep in for 5 right. 6 left, keep in for 5 right. 30 opens for 5 left. Repeat 5 left and jump 3 left. Jump 3 left. Into 3 right. 3 right, narrow 2 left. Repeat narrow 2 left. And jump 20, big rock on left. And 4 left into 4 right. Repeat 4 left into 4 right. Into 5 left. And 6 right jump. 6 right jump and 6 right again. Into short 6 right 20. Short 6 right 20. Bump 4 left. And 5 right. Bump 4 left and 5 right. Into 4 right. 5 right.